let's get going on replacing this tail lamp assembly. Open your tailgate. You're going to see your mounting screw here and one right there. Remove those with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. Get this out of here. Got your little electrical connector here. If you have a pocket screwdriver, it's probably going to come in handy. Got our brand new lens here. Looks great. We're going to hook up our electrical connector. Just take a look. That looks awesome too. Should clip right in. Give it a tug. And you got your little hooks here. They're going to go into those holes. And then it's going to roll right in. Just like that. Start in both these screws and then we'll tighten them down. All right, let's get ready to test it.